Welcome to this SOLIDWORKS tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be designing this elbow in SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin. First click on part and click OK, and this window will be opened. From here make sure that you are working in millimeters, so select here mmgs, and for better visualization you can select here plain white, and after that select here top plane and click on sketch and select line from here, and on this origin make a line like this. This should be vertical, and select 3-point arc here and make a 3-point arc here like this, first, second and third point here in space. Now select line, and from this point of the arc make here a line like this. Now select this point and make relation tangent, and as you can see the profile of this line will get changed, and make tangent relation here as well. Now select this line and make relation horizontal, and select this line and make relation vertical to make sure that these lines are perfectly straight. Now select smart dimensioning tool and here specify the length of this line as 8 mm, and similarly this line will have the same length, 8 mm. Now we need to specify the radius for this 3-point arc, which is 15 mm. So here specify the radius as 15, and as you can see now the sketch is fully defined. Now go to feature tab, and here we need to select the swept boss base command. So select here swept boss base, and as you can see on this window we need to select this sketch. This is going to be the path, so here select the circular profile, and as you can see this is solid, so select here thin features and here specify 2 mm, and here we need to specify 16 mm as diameter, and check this box from here. And for better visualization I am applying here some appearance, although we have to make a lot of sketches on this elbow, but before that let's specify some appearance for better visualization. Now select this face and click on sketch, and here we need to create a circle. So select a circle and make sure to create a circle at this origin, as this appearance is not very well, so here apply any other appearance. This is better. Now here specify the diameter for this circle. I am specifying as 14 mm, and now we have to extrude it up to vertex point. So go to features and select your extruded boss base, and now drop down this menu and here select up to vertex. Now drop down this menu from here, and in this swept boss base right click here on this sketch and make it visible, and here we can see the sketch. In this window we need to select this point, so select here this point, and we need to specify these thin features, so check this box for the thin features, and as you can see this yellow material, this diameter is too large. Here specify 3.5 mm, and as you can see now the diameter for this yellow material gets shortened. Check the box from here, and now we have to do the same procedure on the other side. This is basically the profile for this elbow. So I am making the same circle here. The diameter is the same, which is 14 mm. I am repeating the same sketch that we have done earlier. The diameter is going to be 14, and we have to go to features again, select extruded boss base, and here specify up to vertex, and in this window we need to select this point of the sketch. Now enable the thin features and here specify 3.5 mm, and after that we need to check the box. Okay, now we have to hide the sketch, so select this sketch and click on hide. And now it's time to make the thread. So in whole wizard, drop down this menu, we have option for the thread. So select a thread and here click on OK. Now here we need to specify the parameter for the sketch. This is the starting position or location for the thread, so I'm selecting this edge from here. And also we have to specify the end condition. So in end condition, specify up to selection, and here specify this edge. And we need to specify some offset distance as well, so that the thread can properly cut. And as you can see, this is the offset material for the thread. And select your metric die for the type, and here we need to specify the size for the thread. So there are many standards available for this size, as you can see it from here. So I have to select this M10 by 1.5. You can specify accordingly as per your case. And here select the mirror profile. Okay, and then check this box from here. Now let's see the profile of the thread, and as you can see, this is not the right way. We have to make it proper. So click on thread and go to edit feature. Here we need to specify the offset distance and reverse the direction. As you can see, this is now going to be cut outside as well. And as you can see, this is the right starting profile for the thread, so that it can be screwed properly. And now we need to repeat the same steps for making thread on other side. Click here OK, and this is the starting position for the thread, which is from this edge. And check the box for the offset, and here specify 1 millimeter for the offset. For the end condition, we need to specify up to surface and until this edge. So specify this edge and click here offset as well. Now as you can see, the upper offset is not in the right direction, so you can change the direction from here. And for the type, this is going to be the same metric die. The thread type, the thread size is going to be the same as well. And here select this mirror profile and check this box from here. And as you can see, now the thread has been cut on both ends for this pipe elbow. Now we need to create a rib. So click on this top plane and click on sketch, and we will be creating only a single line from this point to this point. So select your line, and here select this point and this point on this elbow, and we need to go to features and select rib from here. So this is option for the rib, and here specify the second type. The width of the rib is 2 millimeter, and check this box from here. And as you can see, the rib has been created. We always see this rib in pipe elbows. Okay, so now we are only left with the fillets. So select here fillet, and here specify the radius, which I am specifying as 2 millimeter. Now select this face and the other face. Reduce the radius for the fillet, which is 0.5 mm, and check the box from here. And select the fillet again, and here specify the radius for the fillet, which is 0.25, and select these two edges on the rib and check this box from here. Now we can specify any appearance we like, because now the modeling is created. And that's how we create elbow in SolidWorks, guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.